Alright, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. My name is John. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, I hope you're having a wonderful, safe, and bountiful 2021 holiday season. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a classic homemade version of this wonderful, sweet Thanksgiving side dish, but more on that later. If you like this video and this channel and you want to see more content, go ahead and smash that like button, share this video with your family and friends, and don't forget to click that notification bell button so you can stay up to date on all the new videos that I put out. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so I'm going to need the cinnamon, and what are you doing in the spice cabinet? Okay, whatever, no mind. So cranberry sauce. It's a wonderful dish that has tartness, flavor, and versatility such that you can add it to whatever dish you may want. Stuffing, turkey, your breads, lots of options. However, say if you wanted to go, you didn't have time, or you just didn't really want to go and make it yourself, you can go to the store and pick up yourself a can of cranberry sauce. However, in trying those cranberry sauces, I've noticed that there is a distinct loss of cranberry flavor as well as the tartness that usually comes with it. This makes this dish pretty sweet, and then as a result there's a loss of versatility in terms of what you can add it to, because sweetness doesn't really go with everything. And so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a homemade version of cranberry sauce that retains its cranberry tartness and flavor as well as sweetness, such that you can add it to whatever dish that you may want. So why don't I take y'all out of the spice cabinet and into the kitchen where we can start to make this cranberry sauce. Alrighty, let's get cooking. The ingredients you're going to need for this recipe are 12 ounces of fresh cranberries, or a bag of fresh cranberries of that same weight, half a cup of water, half a cup of orange juice or 2 teaspoons of orange zest, half a cup of brown sugar, and a half a cup of white sugar. Start by placing a medium-sized saucepan on your stove over medium heat. Add your orange juice and water, as well as your brown and white sugars. What this does is balance out the tartness of the cranberries. Fresh cranberries are pretty tart, and if any of you have drinking pure cranberry juice, you'll know what I'm talking about. Now, if you decided to use orange zest instead of orange juice, you'll add that zest when you put in your cranberries. Stir the sugars and liquids occasionally, letting the heat dissolve the sugars. Once they're dissolved, bring the mixture to a boil. Alright, so now that our mixture is boiling, go ahead and add the cranberries and whatever spices or flavors that you like. Some people like adding pecans, raisins, currants, or blueberries. And for spices, some people add things like cinnamon, nutmeg, or allspice. But if you decide to add any of these things, be sure to add a pinch of each and add more to your taste. Remember that you can put as much as you want in, but you can't take it out. Now that we have all that we're going to add to the sauce in the pot, go ahead and give the cranberries a quick stir and let them cook until they start to pop. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes or so. Alright, our cranberries have now burst, so we're going to take a spoon and give them a light mashing to give the sauce a thicker consistency. Once you've gotten the berries mashed to the consistency that you would prefer, transfer the sauce to a heat-safe bowl to cool completely to room temperature, then cover and refrigerate until it's ready to be served. Note that there's roughly a 2-hour minimum for the sauce to thicken in the fridge, so be sure to plan your cooking times accordingly. And there you have it. Homemade cranberry sauce ready to serve for your family's Thanksgiving celebrations. All right, so now we got the cranberry sauce made. So of course, as the chef, we're gonna have to try it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this. I got my cranberry sauce right here. And so, bon appetit. Here we go. This is good. It retains the original flavor of the cranberries itself, but then added with the sweetness of the sugar, it balances out a little bit with the tartness as well. And that citrusiness of the orange juice that was put in there adds a really in-depth flavor to this. It just makes it even more versatile than that canned cranberry sauce you get at the store. I would so recommend this over that cranberry sauce you get at the store. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button, share this video with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that bell notifications button so you can stay up to date on all the new videos I put out. I'm gonna go ahead and put that recipe instructions down in the description box. That way you can read it and then go ahead and make it. And then let me know down in the comments what you thought of the recipe, what things would you change about it to suit your tastes. And yeah, I hope to see what you guys put. I got a Thanksgiving dinner to plan for, so I'm gonna head out. Thank you guys again so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have a wonderful, safe, and marvelous Thanksgiving holiday, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.